Denton, Texas, weighing in at 254 pounds, the tornado, Erich.
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise.
Up high. Good Lord, taking flight.
Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Down across the neck.
Just mounted with punches and a stop to the gut, too. From the top. Oh, an elbow drop. Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
Off into the pin. There's two. And he kicks out at two.
He really thought that was it.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent and tossing them aside. Not where you want to be right now. Oh, unable to counter.
Wrench in the arm. Man. Yeah, but respect has to be earned in matches like this, not just handed out. If he can prove himself here, maybe he will get the respect he believes he deserves.
Gonna have to dig down deep here tonight.
But he's going to be facing one superstar who's always evolving. He told me earlier that he's looking to showcase some new moves in this match tonight.
Oh, foot just stomping down.
Oh, looking to cripple them. Left to the body. First a knife edge chop, and now continuing the attack on the knee.
Straight to the knee.
An effective attack to the leg can hurt everything from balance to mobility. It can drastically limit you inside the ring. Stiff elbowing their opponent back to their feet in a thunderous right.
On the claw. There's the claw. This could be it.
Give up now. Swallow.
This singles match has come to an end. Wow.
Here's your winner, the Tornado, Erich. A statement victory by this guy tonight.
This win is going to have them on a high for quite some time, I have to believe.
Winning's great, Saxton, but they have to start thinking about their next challenge sooner